everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by today. My name is Kelly and I love to make crafts and home decor on a budget. If you like those things too, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'm going to make this very cute mini plant riser. It has a very cute modern distressed look. Let's get started. I found these two wooden plaques at Dollarama. I also found these wooden beads. The pack comes with a few different styles and shapes. I figured out how many beads I would need before I started painting. So I put all the beads that I was using on this piece of wire I had. This way it was easier to paint them and not get it all over my hands. I used 18 round beads and 3 square beads for the legs. I used my new favorite folk art chalk paint in the color Adirondack. I picked it up from my local Walmart. I painted the 2 plaques and the beads in a thick coat of the chalk paint. When they were fully dry, I grabbed my folk art chalk paint in the color Maui Sand and very lightly distressed the plaques and also the beads. I have just started using this dry brush technique, so it's not perfect, but I love it. If you've never tried it, you just take a tiny bit of paint on your brush and then wipe it off on something so there's barely anything on your brush. And the brush is pretty much dry, and then you lightly go over your project with the brush. I love the aged look it gives. When everything is fully dry, I took the beads off the wire and picked out the 3 square beads. I flipped one of the plaques over and placed the beads around the edge, making sure they fit nicely. I was going for a sandwich look, so I was going to place the other plaque on top. Then I hot glued them in place. Don't forget to pick off any hanging hot glue strings. And when that was done, I hot glued the other plaque on top of the beads. And then I glued the 3 square beads on the bottom. You can use 3 or 4 beads, that would also look good. And there you go, guys. I think this turned out super cute. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment if you're going to try this project. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.